Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, got some bad news. Got some good news too. So hang around. Let's talk about what we've been up to. My granddaughter, I do most of my work on cars, is over at her garage. She decided that I can't work on projects over there. That's where we did the boat. The Boss Wrench garage. Because they're going to start storing stuff in the building. It's a barn. It's been converted over to a garage, and they had it. It was a shop, which was perfect for doing repairs. Uh, I was planning on taking my air compressor over, as you know, what I said in the last videos. But yeah, things have changed. So what we're doing is we're back here at my place. This is my attached garage to my house. I had a motorcycle repair shop, as a lot of you don't know. I did that for about 15 years on the side, and then during the winters it would slow down and wasn't really productive. But I did it for about 15 years. I've been a motorcyclist for all my life. I started riding motorcycle, mini bike. My first mini bike was a Montgomery Ward 5 horsepower mini bike. You remember those little, I call them ching ching clutches, ching 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 ching. That was my first experience on a motorized bicycle. And then I went to dirt bikes, and I went to street bikes, and I've been on street bikes ever since. But the last couple years, I have migrated away. I'd say the last 4 years, I've migrated away from riding motorcycle. Getting old, body getting beat up, just things that came about to where I don't ride no more. Sold a lot of bikes and closed the shop. I'll put up some pictures of if I can find them of the shop in the heyday. But yep. So I've been working at cleaning out the garage. Uh, it was mostly the last 4 years or so, just being a catch-all. It was just crap everywhere. I sold my lift table. I've sold all kinds of stuff. Uh, let's see. So I'm going to start working out here in the garage on using it for the repairs on cars, like if I need to repair something on the wife's car or my truck. The Spitfire, that would be the next thing that comes in here, because I want to work on it through the winter and have it ready for spring. And then we'll talk about later about what we're going to do about storage. But, it is what it is. So, but the one bike I do have, you've probably seen it in a couple posts I posted, is this. It is a buddy of mine's 1968 Triumph 500 Daytona. He calls it the Orange Crush, which is a good name for it. And but we did a lot of custom work on it. We've hardtailed it. It's more of a rat bike than anything. But he's going to be coming to get that here soon. I was kind of the caretaker, just storing it here. Yeah, why don't you hit that subscription button? Hey, I'd like to have you part of the group, part of the family. Plus, you'll get to see more of my stuff I do. And what else? Why don't you give a big thanks, like a super thanks or something in that lines, because this ain't cheap. Uh, I don't usually ask for funds uh, to help support the channel, but hey, it takes time to make these videos and other things. You know, uh, it digs into the pocketbook. Yes, I make good money at my job, but come on, you know, a little bit of help helps out a long ways. You know, get new equipment and able to bring you good content, parts for the Spitfire or parts for the air compressor or tools. Uh, those, every little bit helps. But yeah, back to the video. But yeah, we may even try to, you know, I got to do a little work to it before he brings it back. I mean, it's been sitting, hasn't been fired in probably 5 years. It turns over, no issues. I got to check the gas tank and clean the carbs and just go through it and, you know, make sure she's able to run. But kind of give you guys an idea of what I've been up to the last couple weeks, because she told me about this last weekend, and I've been working at it. Me and my grandson got the majority of all the crap out of here. Not all of it, but let me turn you around and show you. All right, that's the entrance that goes into our living room. Our front door is directly straight across from that. Right here behind this wall is the hallway closet, or the front door closet. But it has like a loft, light for storage. I'm going to be starting to clean stuff up there. I just been going through stuff that I don't need. It's not going to be used ever again. It's junk or whatever. But I built these benches when I first moved in, and you can see we get stuff shipped to us and all that, and the wife, she just tosses boxes onto the bench. But and just other, like I said, it's just a collect-all, you know. It's just laziness, I guess. But I do have her apartment fridge. Works great. Been working great for years. I got some motorcycle tires back up underneath there that need to be pitched. Boxes. This pile, I was going to start refilling the propane bottles for the buddy heater, which is right there, for ice fishing. But I don't think I'm going to do that. It's a pain in the ass. I'm just going to pitch them. A couple boxes of tools that we gathered up. This is all tools that I decided I need to go through, decide on if I'm keeping, pitching. This is a box of old tools that sat around and got all rusty that my stepson had. And I might go through and see what's good in there and whatever, and just pitch whatever's not good. But my toolbox, had that for many, 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 many years. But I've gathered more tools than I have storage for in the toolbox. So I've been looking for another toolbox. I may have found one on Facebook Marketplace for a couple $100, and it's twice as big as this. I do have another old box back there on the shelf, all rusted up and all that. I might give it a sanding and painting and utilize that. But got my air compressor, which is a nice little setup. Got that from off my stepdaughter when her husband passed, for free. So free is always good. But I need to add some things to it, like a water separator and all that crap to keep the air dry. I do have air tools, just gotta find them. this bench where that toolbox is sitting, that is coming out. So it's that little shelf. I'll probably move that little shelf somewhere and use it, but that's where the compressor is going to go. And I'm going to add a external tank to it for more air capacity. We do have a loft overhead here. Got my motorcycle helmets hanging from there. They're going to get pitched. There's a bunch of stuff there. I see some of my insulation is dropped from the ceiling. I better take care of that. Just working on it. Making room. But right here, those are the seats, original seats from the Spitfire, which I am wanting to reuse, but I need to recover them and probably redo the foam. Those boxes are Spitfire parts. The stand is for my boat motor. I'll probably be moving it out into the one shed out back for winter storage. And then you got my steel shelving, which I've been slowly cleaning up. I still need to go through all the old manuals and stuff I got from over the years. It's like that clutch. It's a snowmobile clutch. Why do I got it? I don't got a snowmobile. I worked on them. So that's going to get pitched or sold. And then you've got the overhead door, which works pretty good. I'm thinking I'm going to go with a lighter door and insulated. This door is insulated, but it's heavy. These boxes are all the crap that are going out to the trash man here. That's Monday morning pickup. Yeah, my generator. Probably put that out back in the one shed, which is nice and dry. Just working on getting this thing set up so where I can work. Yes, it's a smaller area, but hey, it is what it is. Back to the door. It's like my coveralls. I may use that, though. The black pair, they're better than the tan pair. They're pretty shot. And that bow, it's got a split limb on it, broken limb, and I cannot find new limbs for it. But yeah, so there you go. That's just the inside of the garage. We're gonna go outside. It's still dark out, so I'm gonna wait till daybreak, and then we'll talk more about what's going on out there and what my plans are to do to maybe get more room. We'll just have to see how that pans out. So let's go outside here a little bit and we'll talk a little more. Well, it's daylight now, so I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Hopefully, this might be the good news. Hopefully, we'll see what's going to happen with the banks. I have applied for a home equity loan. That means use the equity toward your house toward a loan, and then you can pay back, and you can, whenever you need the monies to use, you can use it for virtually anything. So, but this is what we're planning on. This is the front of the house. Like I said, I'm going to replace the garage door, but I want to add on. I want to add on another bay, which will add to the value of the house. Now put a passage door going from one side to the other. We'll see how that works out. And going to be redoing the shed. I need to paint it, do some repairs on that. But the mower, it took a crap. I'm about ready just to put it up on Marketplace. Somebody might be able to use it. But this is most of the junk I pulled out of the garage. Holy crap! You wouldn't realize over the years how much shit you gather. I had to put a tire on it. That's the rim and tire. The rim rusted through. The tire was fairly good, but there's $170. So holy shit! But I got to winterize the boat. Winterized the camper, which I've been trying to sell the camper. Nobody's interested this time of year. Work on the truck. Wife's car's on the other side of my truck. You can barely see it over there. Yeah, so we're going to try and add on to the house, the garage. I had a new roof installed. I need to get gutters put on it. Need the front door. Yeah, we need a few things tended to. I like to enclose this porch. I've been wanting to do that for years so that we can come out here during the winter, have a heater out here and enjoy the porch. And but yeah, so that's where we're at. So on the next video, you're going to see us going to get the car trailer, get the car moved over here, and what I'm setting up the garage, getting things going. This is Saturday morning, about 7:30 or so. I am, I'm going to be working my tail off all weekend. But thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this stuff, click the subscription button. It's free. Smash the bell notification. That lets you know whenever I post new content. It lets you know that, hey, new stuff. Leave a comment. I always try to reply to my comments. And it's a good way for me to find your channel. Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. We'll see you on the next one.